Where are we going?
Santa Monica thing.
It's a beach day. I'm gonna try to vlog it, but I make no promises.
I'm gonna practice my British accent. We've arrived at our destination. Is that pretty good?
That was more Australian than anything.
Rise up lights, rise up lights. Okay, anyway.
What are you trying to say? What does that mean?
Razor blades, rise up lights. Razor blades, rise up lights. Does it sound like it? Rise up lights, rise up lights.
Oh, I get it.
I get it. We had already made it to the beach. Now we have to go back for our picnic blanket to the car. This is such a bad angle, my papada. Look at it. Much better. Now I'm cute. I'm gassed. I'm absolutely gassed, everybody. Should I take down my tricycle?
Oh.
Okay, we made it here and we passed by this giant beefy boy and he passed right by me. But since I was waistline height, I don't even think he saw me. Right here to your right, you take a look at this beautiful house. Juan Gabriel used to live here. Legend is he died here? Well, we don't know.
We made it.
I'm gonna place you guys here so you guys can see the behind the scenes. The not so glamorous aspect of Instagram photos. That's good, I think. And how are you gonna take the pictures?
There, put your phone.
Take two. We're gonna try again. Am I nipping? No. My bikini bottoms give me a wedgie. I don't want people to see my black hole behind me. Pero se me ven mucho las nalgas, no importa. That's the point. Okay, okay. We're gonna review them. See how they look. Be right back. Okay, so she got my pics and now she doesn't want to do hers.
I'm not gonna take my pants off though. Like you can just get up with my sorry.
Okay, fine. We'll settle for that. I caught you. I caught you in your striptease.
Oh my god.
Your head is perfectly right on the sun, so it looks like you're a goddess. Why do you not even have to try? And I'm like over there.
Take the picture.
Okay, do that thing where you pull the crotch of the shorts down. Right there where the botones are. Pull it down. You're getting naked. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
Oh my.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Look where you were. But don't laugh. We want sexy mysterious. Open your mouth a little.
Oh my god.
Monica, you're such an
there's
exaggerator.
There's a little girl in the bike.
Can you take a picture of me holding her?
Lower. Like by your waist. More to the right. Hurry. Okay, I think I got one.
Yeah, I like that. Yes.
Oh yeah, tilt your head back. But more, come over here so your head can block the sun and you can look like a goddess. Lower it. Wait. Okay, tilt it back a little.
Oh my god.
God, you're such an exaggerator.
They're so hot, Luke.
Okay, then I think we're good.
Wait, let me take one like that, like a sexy I'm coming to you. Wait.
You're horrible.
Yeah, like that, like, but give me a fierce face.
I can't give you a fierce face.
Yeah, like that.
Oh my god.
I'm
Okay,
either
we're
scared or
alright.
turned on. Here.
You're so dumb. These are
Hurry
so
up, like and
terrible.
comment if you think she should release them. Go follow her at osnap.com. I mean, osnap. That's it. I'll put it in the video. Ya le gustó, she wants more. Did you like it that your head covered the sun and you looked? I knew it. That's perfect. I'm stressing to get this angle that my butt cheeks are super clenched behind me.
Oh my god.
Wait, there's people crawling behind you.
Oh, jeez Louise.
I want more now. I need to beat you out. Pop that booty out.
Oh, perfect.
Scoot more that way, but then the sun won't be behind you. It'll be next to you. You wanna grab it? You wanna grab the sun?
Oh my mommy.
Hey, this one's cute.
Duh. There's a seagull. There's a seagull roaming around. Where is it? Where'd it go?
It left?
I thought it was gonna come pick at our heads to steal our sandwiches. We're gonna have dinner now. Oh, great, the helicopter. Oh, I need hand sanitizer. Cheers. She didn't cut it for me. Cheers. Yum.
There's no hand on there?
No, there's ham. There's ham, but all you can see is this is gonna be a mukbang. Oh, I actually got tea. Actually, I shouldn't say it.
Bleep it out.
Okay. Wait, let me tuck my shirt into my calzone so it doesn't show my nose. I followed. He didn't follow me back.
That's a tea?
So I'm gonna unfollow him and forget about him forever.
I'm gonna.
Because you know, I understand. I understand, you know, I'm very understanding. I know that I wouldn't have dated me in elementary when he knew me. I wouldn't have dated me either, so it's okay. But now, if he's gonna pass up on me, then fine. You know, there's tons of seagulls in the beach. I can pick anyone I want. So, I gave you a chance and you blew it. Wait, from where?
From there to the blue building. Brown.
We're not going on our walk, on our night walk. We're dipping porque le dio frío a la grama. Look, she's using our picnic blanket. See you when we get to the car. Have one last look at La Casa de Luis Miguel. This is Luis Miguel's house.
Flashback.
You take a look at this beautiful house. Juan Gabriel used to live here. We made it to the car. But we'll see you guys when we get home. Or maybe this is the end of it. You know what? I'm probably not going to see you when I get home because there's nothing interesting there. So, you know, I just wanted to give vlogging a try. Maybe you guys will enjoy it. You know? Who knows? Bye. Say bye.